Hi, another video from Fast Tech. In this one I'm going to be showing you guys how to factory reset a PS4. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up and into settings. Okay, then we're going to go all the way to the bottom, and there's going to be an option that says initialization. We're going to press that, and we're going to press initialize PS4. There's going to be two options here. There's a quick format option, and then there's a full format option. Now the quick format option is good if you're in a hurry, but the full format option wipes everything and writes zeros to your hard drive. So if you have any sensitive information that you definitely need to remove off the console, you should go with a full format, especially if you're selling your console and you have some sensitive data on there, pictures or videos that you really need to have removed. You should go with the full option. But if you don't have any sensitive data in there, I would go with the quick option because it takes a lot less time. The quick format takes about 5 to 10 minutes, while the full format could take about an hour or 2 hours, depending on how much data you have. So in this case, we're gonna go with the quick option because there's nothing sensitive on here. So we're gonna go with quick format. It's gonna bring us to this menu. We're gonna confirm and we're gonna press initialize. We're gonna press the initialize option. It says all users and data will be deleted, and the PS4 will be deactivated. That means it will be deactivated off PSN, so any purchases that you have on there will be deactivated, and you can reactivate them on another PS4. So I'm gonna press initialize. Now it's deactivating. It says cannot deactivate the following users, blah blah blah. We don't need to deactivate, so in this case I'm just going to skip that, and it's giving another warning and that if we initialize, all data will be deleted. We're going to press yes, and now it's going to restart and it's going to start wiping everything off the console. Now it's restarting. Now it's going to bring us to this screen right here where it's initializing the console. Make sure that the console doesn't turn off, and make sure, because if it does turn off or restart unexpectedly, bad things could happen. So you want to make sure your power source isn't interrupted in any way. So it's restarting, doing its thing. It's updating system storage. And now it's initialized and it should be factory reset by now. All the data on the console is going to be wiped clean. Next, we're not going to connect to Wi-Fi right now. This is a European console, so the warnings look different on this one than they would with an American or a Canadian console. You're not going to get a photosensitive epilepsy warning if you're on a US or Canadian console. So there you have it. Now everything's wiped and the system's clean. just like when it left the factory. There's nothing on here anymore. And yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video if you liked it. And don't forget to check out our store at fasttechstore.com if you need any parts, tools, or repair services for PlayStation, Xbox, or any other device. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video if this helped you out. That's it for me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked it, and stay tuned for more content. And I'll catch you in the next one.